Nearly 3 years after a tragic accident that resulted in the death of 12-year-old Lee Do-hyun in Gangneung, Gangwon Province in December 2022, the court has finally issued its verdict. The Chuncheon District Court ruled against the family of Lee Do-hyun in their 920 million won damages lawsuit against automaker KGM. The accident occurred on December 6, 2022, when an SUV driven by the victim's grandmother seemingly accelerated out of control and slammed into an underground passage in Hongjae-dong, Gangneung. Do-hyun, who was riding in the car, was killed and the driver was injured. The core issue of the case was whether the accident resulted from the driver mistakenly stepping on the accelerator instead of the brake or from a mechanical defect. The family argued that the incident was a classic case of sudden unintended acceleration caused by an ECU software flaw, claiming the vehicle accelerated for nearly 30 seconds, making pedal confusion unlikely. Unlike most similar cases in South Korea, which had been attributed to driver error, this case gained national attention. It involved a reenactment test using the same vehicle model at the accident site, marking the country's first on-site test for a suspected sudden acceleration case. Even the state prosecutor's office dropped charges of negligent homicide against the grandmother, refusing to accept findings from the National Forensic Service that pointed toward driver fault. This has led many to wonder whether this could become Korea's first case where a consumer wins a sudden acceleration lawsuit involving a vehicle with an advanced driver assistance system. However, the court ultimately sided with the automaker KGM, citing ADR data and forensic analysis indicating full acceleration input during the crash. The ruling, meanwhile, ends a years-long legal battle, although the matter may be contested in the appellate court as many people side with the family of the deceased and suspect some sort of defect may cause the tragedy.